I'm Farmer Finn. Today, we're back at Rocket Out Farm. I want to thank everybody that fought for our country so we can live free. USA.
Good job, Brookie.
Want to do it while I'm holding on to it? Okay. We'll hold it. Hold it. It's almost done. Well, I was holding Billy's neck with my arms. And then whenever the bottle fell out of his mouth, he jerked his head back and then my arm snapped back like.
Did it hurt?
Yes.
You gotta be tough though to be a farmer, don't you?
Yes.
I got some more plowed up for some field corn. Tad's had a busy week in the high tunnel. She's got it all cleaned and got it weeded real well and looks really good. Filling up the water for the steer. We had another chicken massacre last night. We'll have to work on it. The concrete hadn't dried in time. I think we lost about 5 to 7 chickens. So there's ups and downs in farming, and it seems like once something finds its way in the chicken house, it's hard to stop. They'll keep coming back as long as they can find a way in. You can see claw marks here all over the building, and the concrete hadn't dried, so we stuffed these blocks in here, and we're going to pour more Quikrete, and hopefully it dries before tonight. So we lost 7 chickens last night. We got our Quikrete out, and I want to dampen it so it'll set up. I don't want to get it too runny because it makes it hard to get it to dry in a timely manner. So I just try to wet it down and let the moisture soak through. Hopefully this will take care of it. The hogs seem to be liking their new pen a lot better. They got more room and they can dig and eat worms. I can already tell a difference. Seems like they're growing a little better. Or maybe it's just a growing spurt.
Hopefully we can keep keep the coon out tonight. Jason poured some concrete out. Hope you had a good Memorial Day with your family. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.